Only I'm studying at Series Campus Parallel Computing and my student ID was 2350479. This is my recent process supports assignment based on a data science demonstration project for electronic cards incorporated. I have analyzed a few years of AE stock market data to develop a predictive model that supports financial decision making for all activity. First, I have to upload my data set. Yeah, there it is. All accounts in here. The analysis begins by loading 1 year of ES stock data containing 1,258 trading days. The dataset includes daily opening prices, closing prices, trading volumes, and high-low price ranges. First, I perform a data pre-processing to convert prices from text format to numeric values, standardized dates, and clean inconsistencies. This foundational work ensures data quality throughout the analysis. Next, I calculate derived features 7-day and 30-day moving averages to identify price trends, daily volatility to measure price fluctuations, and daily returns to assess the price movements. Moving averages smooth out short-term noise to reveal underlying trends. This helps executives distinguish between temporary fluctuations and meaningful market shifts. The code that I have written generates a visualization showing key patterns. The first chart displays stock price. The first chart displays stock price movements with moving average overlays. You can see ES price trends over the period. The moving averages reveal whether the stock is in an uptrend or downtrend. Critical information for investor relations teams communicating market outlook. The second visualization shows trading volume, the number of shares traded daily. Significant volume spikes often coincide with major announcements to market events. Understanding trading patterns helps financial teams assess market interest and liquidity. Now I will demonstrate the predictive modeling component I am training in linear regression model. I would train a linear regression model to forecast EA stock prices based on a historical patterns. The model uses four features: the number of trading days since the analysis start date, daily trading volume, daily price volatility, and opening prices. The model was trained on 80% of data, approximately 1,000 trading days, with the remaining 20% held up for testing to verify accuracy. So the model achieved an R squared value. The model achieved an R squared value of 0.95, meaning the model explained 95% of the variance in historical stock prices. In practical terms, this means 95% of ES stock price movements follow predictable patterns based on these four features. The prediction accuracy metrics show a root mean squared error of $1.73 and mean absolute error of $2.03. This translates to when the model predicts ES stock price, it typically deviates by approximately $57.54 from the actual price. For a stock trade in the $200 range, this level of accuracy supports reliable short-term forecasting. The feature importance analysis shows that opening price contributes the strongest predictive signal followed by trading volume and volatility. This suggests that previous day's sentiment reflect. This suggests that previous day's sentiment reflected in opening prices helps predict subsequent price movements, a pattern consistent with financial theory that markets habits moment. The model forecasts EA stock prices for the next 30 days with average predicted price of $199.17. The forecast provides a baseline expectation that changes with new data. Here it is, the forecast table. So this is how it's work. Let's move on to the Power BI dashboard that I created. The final component is the interactive Power BI dashboard here, which translates technical analysis into business intelligence for decision making. So the dashboard displays four key performance indicators at current stock price, average trading volume, peak volatility, and average daily return. These KPIs provide a quick status snapshot. So the main price trend chart shows stock performance over time with both short-term and medium-term moving averages overlaid. This supports investor relations, communications about market performance. So the trading volume chart shows market prediction levels. The volatility gauge here indicates current risk level. This support risk management, a discussion about hedging strategies. Let's scroll down here. Okay. The returns distribution shows daily price movements. For financial planning, understanding this distribution helps estimate range of budget scenarios. Slicer here. The date slicer enables interactive filtering in financial analysts who want to examine specific periods like around a major game release or earning announcement. They can select date ranges to see how market dynamics shifted. Let me show you the entire dashboard now. So final dashboard looks like this. This dashboard brings together stock analysis, volatility assessment, volume analysis, and return patterns into a single interface accessible to finance teams, investor relations, and executive leaderships. The visualizations are designed for clarity without requiring quantitative expertise to interrupt. So the analysis is not without limitations. Stock prices respond to factors beyond historical data, including game releases, competitive actions, and both market conditions. Data science should enhance these kind of things. Then the project shows how organization can apply standard data science techniques to real world business problems. So this is it. Thank you. Thank you so much.